name is Roxy. I am a student PT. I am going to be working with the patient who was admitted to the hospital following dehydration, and then he was also found to have C. diff. So with this diagnosis, I am going to be following contact precautions, which will require me to use a gown and gloves. So prior to entering the room working with this patient, I'm just going to make sure that I'm using hand sanitizer. And then following this, what I'm going to do first, I'm going to be putting on the gown, this side here, and then we do have some strings attached on the top and the back. So you just want to make sure that those are tied together here. So we'll do this one. And then just as I finish tying this here, a couple of other considerations that you may take into account when working with patients with C. diff would be the use of either dedicated or disposable equipment. Here we go. So I have that tied now. So following this, I am just going to be putting on these gloves. And then just important to know, as you pull them down, you do want to put them over that sleeve there. Again, just putting it and making sure that they do cover all the way around here. Oop, there we go. Okay, so that's everything that entails when I'm donning. So when it comes to doffing, what I'm going to do, I am first going to be removing the gloves. So I'm just going to grab, pinch on the very top. I'm going to pull in a downward motion, which then causes the gloves to turn inside out. I'll go ahead and grab it into this hand, and then I'll take my non-gloved hand and just come underneath here, and then again just pull in that downward motion, causing the gloves to turn inside out. And then I'm just going to dispose of those there. And then next up, I will just come to the back and untie these strings that I had previously tied. Perfect. And then from here, I'm just going to come in and pinch from the inside of the gown. Again, just kind of pinching, grabbing, pulling in that downward motion. And then that causes this to kind of be all turned inside out, put it up in a ball, and then I'm just going to dispose of that as well. And then following this, I'm immediately just going to wash my hands with soap and water. And then if I do need to wipe anything, I would be sure to use the bleach germicide disposable wipes.